Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you some of my holiday tablescape tips. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I would like to thank my sponsors of this video, Tea Forte, so let's jump right in. So friends, my first tip is to determine the theme. What is the experience you want to give your guest? I like looking in holiday catalogs such as the Tea Forte catalog, or going and just walking in stores, home decor stores, and looking for something that really sparks something that really inspires me. You know, what experience do I want to give my guests that year? So for me, I wanted to go with kind of a wintry feel. I wanted them to feel like we were in the woods in the wintertime, and then let the food and the dishware warm up the space. And those are really our cozy elements. So by making the table icy, I have a white table, but I wanted to continue to make it icy, but I definitely wanted to get me my own cup of tea before I actually got started. So I did do that first. So the second tip is to create the center of attention, and that is your centerpiece. So the center of your dining table is sort of like the bed in your bedroom. As you walk into the space, it's that thing that your eye immediately goes to. So it's important to have something that really is striking, really that sets the mood for the table, along with something that is appropriate for the table. You want to think about the dining experience. You want to make sure that everyone can see each other, that you don't have anything that's too obtrusive or anything like that. And so you want it to be something that really fits the tone and the feel that you want during your dining experience. So now that I have worked with my centerpiece, it looks like I had envisioned. This is what I was going for. I wanted that wintry feel so that I can then bring in the warmer elements in other table items. But one thing that I want to share as a bonus tip is to enjoy the process of decorating your home and preparing your home for the holidays. Like, I still need to finish my tree here, and I'm in the middle of the tablescape, but I'm taking time out to really look through a catalog, just to take a break, or go and watch a Christmas movie and then come back to the table once you put the kids to bed. Don't feel overwhelmed by preparing your house for the holidays. It's more important to enjoy the process. And a part of that process should definitely always incorporate beautiful Christmas music. It really puts you in the mood. Turn on the Christmas lights and have a good time. Now let's move into my third tip, which is to add those desired essentials. Those are those things that are going to be for dining, such as your plates and your glass and your napkins and all of those things. And so I'm using my standard holiday set that I had from last year. I need to lay it out and let it lay flat for a while, and it will become what it needs to become before actually the holidays. And what you want to do is you want to think about the items that you need for the food that you're preparing. Do you need a salad plate? Do you need an appetizer plate? And throughout the month, I'll be sharing some other entertaining tips and things. So definitely look forward to more holiday videos with a lot of detail with that. These are plates that my mother-in-law had gave me years ago, so I'm going to incorporate them with my standard Christmas plates and match them up to give a different look. So that keeps things fresh each year. So number 4, friends, is to add the unexpected. You want to give your guests an experience, something they're not expecting. And one thing that I love to do, I did it last year, but we loved it so much, I'm doing it again this year, is putting personal chimneys by each tablescape. And everyone loved it so much that I had to bring it back. And so you really want to think about, what is that thing that I can incorporate that is going to really bring us a warm holiday experience while we're enjoying our holiday meal. And one thing I want to remind you is that Tea Forte is such a great source when you're trying to create that experience when you're entertaining for the holidays. This is also going to be given away to one of my viewers. Tea Forte is going to give away their Warming Joy collection collection. It has so many items. It is a huge collection that is not only a perfect gift, but it's really a great way to entertain this holiday. And so I'll link all of this information below, and definitely go to T4K Official and join their Instagram page to be entered to win. And it is so neat that they are going to give one of these to one of my viewers. I'm excited about that. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing my tablescape. I'll also list all of the T4K items in the description box below. Don't forget to go over to the Instagram. You will love their Instagram, by the way. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.